Hey, how you doing? I'm Richard Strong, and this is the way I see it. It's going to be a short one tonight. I decided I would come hang out on the outside porch, take my cigar for a little walk. As you can see behind me, we got a little bit of thunderstorms around, little small bumpers, make a little dumping noise, maybe drop a little rain on us. Give me something to wipe off my car in the morning. Let's see. Right down there, creeping, right beside it is a yellow night-crested heron. That's one of the chicks down there. And it's just, you can barely see it beside the tree. Let me see if I can zoom with this. Yeah, there we go. See it? That is a yellow-crested night heron chick. And there's two more around here somewhere. They're probably down over the edge of the bank. That one there is the biggest and the closest to flying. He makes little short flights in the tree. And he makes little short flights in the yard. And he's not quite the same color as his parents. Of course, he doesn't have the yellow crest yet. He's just got a fuzzy gray fuzzy head and some long guard hairs, which will turn into some really long white feathers and then a yellow buzz right up in the mohawk on top. They're fascinating. They're cool. So, whoops, literally, the way I see it. Yeah, that's the backyard that I'm blessed with. And today I made friends with a crow. This new phone, there we go. I made friends with a crow. It's young, its fledgling was learning how to fly, and it ran out of gas right here on the porch. So I brought out pecans and a bowl of water, and they all ate out of it. And then the little guy jumped off of here and flew a good 150 feet before he landed in my fence, which is covered with jasmine. So a real good landing spot for him. I just say again, you really, really got to pay attention to what's happening. It's crazy. You need to vote Republican, and then you need to cleanse the Democrat Party, because we need both parties. Remember, you're American first. We seem to have strayed away from that. Well, that's the way I see it. I'm Richard Strong. Hey, if you care to, leave a comment over there. Somebody left a comment on my last video. It never showed up. I posted a comment. The algorithm got it. I mean, I never even saw it. It used to be if I went to my YouTube studio and went to comments, I could see the comments that the algorithm, for whatever reason, wasn't posting. And now I can't. I couldn't see it at all. So I have no idea what you said. But if you want to make a point, even if you want to cut me down, or if you want to, try to disprove me, or actually just prove me, which I wouldn't mind that. You gotta beat the algorithm. So, hey everybody, I'm gonna smoke the rest of my cigar. I want you to have a blessed evening. See ya.